I'm Mark Frederick Gomez, your French cybersecurity voice for today's threat landscape. It's Tuesday, December 2, 2025. You're listening to episode 503, live from Reims, France. Coming up in this episode, India mandates government app on all smartphones. Apple refuses to comply advanced Chinese steganography. How front companies arm the MSS for APT operations. Coupang suffers massive data breach. 33 million South Korean customers exposed Raspberry Pi raises prices. Generative AI drives memory costs through the roof. Let's start with India, where the Telecommunications Ministry just ordered smartphone manufacturers to preload a government-backed app called Sanchar Sathi on all new devices. The stated goal: combat telecom fraud, especially international calls disguised as domestic ones using spoofed +91 prefixes. The app lets users report suspicious numbers, block stolen devices, and audit mobile connections registered under their name. Technically, it requests broad permissions, SMS access, call logs, storage, camera, and device identity. The catch? According to a confidential directive obtained by Reuters, the app cannot be disabled or deleted. In response, Apple announced it won't comply, citing privacy and security concerns incompatible with its iOS ecosystem. India's telecom minister quickly backpedaled on social media, claiming usage would be voluntary. But the official document says otherwise. A tension that echoes Russia's Max app strategy. Now let's shift to China. A Telsi investigation reveals the role of two front companies, Bieta and its subsidiary Xiaodan, in supplying China's Ministry of State Security with advanced steganographic capabilities. Concretely, Bieta, located near the MSS headquarters in Beijing, has been developing tools to hide data inside multimedia files for decades. 46% of its academic publications focus on steganography. Here's where it gets interesting. CSIRT holds patents for forensic analysis of modified JPEG images and uses generative adversarial networks to enhance concealment. This level of sophistication matters. We know groups like Leviathan, Mirage, and Witchity hide malware in BMP or JPEG files to evade detection. What's emerging here is a structured state ecosystem where academic research, private enterprises, and intelligence services collaborate to industrialize stealthy espionage. Third topic, South Korea. E-commerce giant Coupang just confirmed a massive breach. 33.7 million customers had their data exposed. Full names, phone numbers, emails, physical addresses, and order history. The intrusion dates back to June 24th but wasn't detected until November 18th. The attack vector. A former employee allegedly exploited unrevoked access tokens to exfiltrate data. No compromise of passwords or payment cards, but the scale is still critical. For defenders, it's a harsh reminder. Internal access lifecycle management remains a major attack surface, often overlooked during offboarding. Finally, an economic issue directly impacting our labs and projects. Raspberry Pi announces significant price hikes for its single-board computers. The Pi 5 with 16 gigs of ROM jumps from $80 to $145, a $25 increase. The reason? Skyrocketing demand for LPDDR4 memory from generative AI infrastructure. OpenAI, Meta, and Google are multiplying data centers, and Samsung and Hynix production lines can't keep up. Result: pressure across the entire supply chain. CEO Eben Upton calls this surge temporary, but warns that 2026 will be a constrained year. For our R&D budgets and secure IoT deployments, we'll need to plan ahead. And that's the end of this Tuesday episode from CSIRT Congress from France. I hope it provided clear and useful information. If you are a new listener, feel free to subscribe to the RadioCSIRT podcast. We are available on Apple Podcasts, Amazon Music, YouTube, Deezer, and Spotify. You can find all open source intelligence links used for this episode on RadioCSIRT.com. Until then, remember, don't think, just patch. I'll see you tomorrow for a new episode.